All right, folks, how you doing? You notice that my eyes on the road. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going into the year 2021. So I would like to say there's some of you on here that have helped me out a lot. We're getting ready to enter the 16,000 member area of the Facebook page. For all of you out there, if someone says something that you don't like or you think you might have misunderstood it, or maybe it was directly ignorant, do not respond. Report it to me or the monitors. That is our job. I got better things to do to chase down a bunch of people that just don't get it, and it's okay. Not only will you be deleted, you will be blocked, so you can't even come back and ask to join. In the past, I'd put you on a 5-7 day, and that ended up me explaining to somebody for 15 minutes why I did it, but I don't do that no more. My 15 minutes to me is very valuable. So is yours. So remember, when you post something on here, we need pictures, model, the component like a hot water heater, and it's an Atwood. Maybe if you don't know what it is, like an Atwood or Suburban, take pictures of it or make a video of it. So we covered some different subjects right there. All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm heading home. You notice that I'm heading to the sun. It's about 4:30 on the East Coast. Once again, thank you, everybody.